Okay, so these solar panels are definitely need some cleaning, and I'm gonna have an expert come and clean them. It's from the pollen. If you let the pollen sit on here from these trees or any trees and give it a few days, it's gonna start growing and then it's gonna get cooked on. So that's all pollen associated. So you gotta wash this stuff off as soon as you get yellow pollen. But I've installed some standing seam fall protection and a wire rope, all torqued, I think 65 inch-pounds or whatever it was, and then a nice wire rope going all the way to the other side that will be able to lash in. So finally got fall protection on this steel roof. Of course, you never go on a steel roof with any kind of moisture or if it's going to rain, because then you can't get down off it or you come down the wrong way. All right, so 31 solar panels, the before and with now fall protection for a 12-4 pitch single story.